The global AI market is expected to reach $150 billion in 2024 and grow by 36.8% by 2030. 83% of the organizations today claim that AI is the top priority for their business processes. AI is going to change the way we live, work, and learn. As I speak at various conferences on how to leverage I hear a lot of myths around AI. AI is becoming such an integral part of our lives, and yet there are so many misconceptions surrounding it. So, in today's video, I will debunk 5 myths associated with AI so that you can separate fact from fiction. But before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell icon so that you can get notified every time I release a new video. And now let's dive right in. With the first myth, we are going to address the elephant in the room. One of the biggest misconceptions and myths that I hear in every conversation that I have and every conference that I speak at is AI will take away our jobs. Well, just like computers and RPA and cloud computing didn't take away our jobs, AI is also not going to take our jobs away. It will, though, like any other technology, help us rethink and reimagine jobs. The nature of our jobs will change. While technology will help ease operational aspects of work, we will get a bigger opportunity to leverage the human skills or the power skills like critical thinking, customer centricity, and empathy while creating solutions. We all have been using AI in our daily life. I'm sure you use Alexa, Siri, Canva, Grammarly, and other apps in your everyday life to make it easy. These are all AI powered applications. So think of AI as your helper rather than your competitor. By learning more about AI and applications that use AI, you can focus on leveraging your power skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity rather than focusing on the mundane and the operational tasks. The second myth that I hear often is AI is all-knowing and foolproof. The thought that AI possesses unlimited knowledge and flawless decision-making capabilities is not true. While the launch of new AI models like Gemini and ChatGPT has enabled us to process vast amount of data and perform complex tasks, it is important to recognize that AI is not foolproof. AI models are trained on specific data sets and their proficiency is often limited to the information that's available within those data sets. They lack the inherent knowledge and understanding that a human being possesses. The effectiveness of AI is dependent upon the quality and the relevance of the data that they have been trained on. AI, like any other technology, is prone to errors, is prone to mistakes. The potential for error arises from various factors, including the quality of training data, the complexity of the task, and the inherent limitations of algorithms themselves. We are long ways away from training these models and having data sets that can get AI close to perfection. So approach AI with balanced perspective, acknowledging its strengths while understanding its limitations. Rather than viewing AI as all-knowing oracle, it should be seen as a tool that can assist you in specific domains. The third myth and a common misconception that I hear often is that AI is for technical folks. It's for tech experts. It's from people in the technology industry. This is far from reality. While in the early stages of AI development, working with AI models and algorithms indeed required some deep understanding of programming, mathematics, and computer science, it's no longer true. Significant advancements have been made in developing user-friendly tools, platforms, and interfaces that allow individuals with varying level of technical proficiency to be able to engage with AI. Today, there are AI applications and tools designed for users with diverse skill sets. These range from no-code and low-code platforms that enable individuals without extensive coding knowledge to be able to create and deploy AI models to user-friendly interfaces for tasks like natural language processing, image recognition, and data analysis. AI is now integrated into many everyday applications and services, often without even users explicitly being aware of it. Virtual assistants, recommendation systems, personalized content, delivery on social media platforms are the examples of AI in action. which is accessible to the users without requiring them to possess in-depth technical knowledge. Democratizing access to AI tools and knowledge is an ongoing trend with efforts to make AI more inclusive and user-friendly. And we all have a role to play in it. Each time you interact with an AI driven app like ChatGPT or Bard or Canva or others, this training data that's being collected to make AI solution better. The fourth myth or misconception that I hear often is that AI is a recent phenomenon. It is a new trend. It's basically something new. While the recent boom in AI applications might create an illusion of this technology being a brand new technology, the seeds of artificial intelligence were sown in 1950s when Alan Turing, actually a pioneer in computer science, proposed the Turing test to assess a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from human behavior. The 1950s and 60s saw continuous exploration with Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence in 1956, which is actually considered to be the official birth of the field. Since then, there has been a lot of work that has been done in AI field behind the scenes. In 2011, with the launch of Siri, Apple's voice assistant on iPhone 4S, opened the doors to natural language interaction with the technology. This paved way for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and countless others, forever changing how we interact with devices using AI, from setting alarms to ordering pizza, all with the power of spoken language. In 2012, AlexNet, a deep learning algorithm, marked the turning point for AI, opening opportunities from facial recognition to self-driving cars. Now, while it might look like AI is driving innovation in healthcare, finance, and countless other fields in 2023 and 2024, the process started over 70 years ago. So it's not a new phenomenon. It's not a new trend. It has been around for over 70 years. The fifth is the misconception that AI eliminates bias. While AI has impressive capabilities, it's not immune to bias or errors. The biases can originate from AI models or from datasets or from both. Most public datasets are old. The data that they contained is skewed and representative of a time when people of color and women had limited decision making power and representation. When models are trained on these data sets, the AI solution can unintentionally perpetuate or even amplify these biases in its decision-making process. For example, biased data in facial recognition system may lead to inaccuracies and disparities, particularly for certain demographic groups like brown people like me. And that's why you hear so much about responsible AI and the need for ethical frameworks to guide the creation and deployment of AI, emphasizing fairness, accountability, and the avoidance of discriminatory processes. So AI is far from being bias free, at least in the near future. Those were the 5 myths that I encounter every single day while talking about artificial intelligence. I'm often asked about these myths and to clarify in my speaker sessions. I would love to hear from you. Which of these myths and misconceptions were insightful for you? Please share in the comments. And for more insights like this, make sure to subscribe and hit on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified every time I release a new video. I'll see you next week. Till then, have a successful week. Bye-bye.